2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.